Did you know a starving village was saved by a spider's clever trick? In old Jamaica, there once lived a greedy king who hoarded all the food in his palace while his people suffered. One by one, villagers began collapsing in the streets from hunger, their children crying for just a morsel of bread. Meanwhile, the king feasted on mountains of rice and peas, ackee and saltfish, while his storerooms overflowed. That's when Anansi the spider decided to teach him a lesson. The clever trickster approached the king with a pouch of glittering fool's gold, claiming it was magical treasure that multiplied overnight. The king's eyes grew wide with greed. He offered to trade all his food stores for this miracle gold. Anansi agreed, knowing the king's weakness for wealth would be his downfall. By morning, the fool's gold had turned to dirt, and all the hoarded food had spoiled instantly. The king realized he'd been outsmarted by a tiny spider. From that day forward, he learned to share with his people. As Jamaicans say, greedy choke puppy.